Today, we'll explore the parts of an electric vehicle powertrain, some safety considerations, and more. EV batteries contain 20 to 100 plus kWh of high-voltage electricity. This is enough to cause death or serious bodily injury. With that in mind, it's time to put on some PPE to electrically insulate you. We have provided some PPE for you located on the workbench to the right of the vehicle. Use the lever to lift the vehicle. Touch any part of the vehicle to see beneath the surface. Use the button to the left of the vehicle on the lift frame to see the electrical current flow. Use the button to the left of the vehicle on the lift frame to disable the HV system. Reach into the vehicle and remove the highlighted section of the high-voltage battery. Place this battery section on the workbench surface. Remove the cover of this battery section to view the internal components. After reviewing the assembly, grab it from the bottom. Now, turn the assembly upside down, and use it to dump the parts on the floor. Place the battery section casing back on the workbench. Reassemble the battery components. Reassemble the cell bank support structure on top of the battery assembly. Grab the cover and put it back in place. Put the battery section back into the vehicle. Use the lever to lower the vehicle. Congratulations! You successfully explored this electric vehicle.